Today we are comparing Germany and Austria, two budget-friendly study abroad destinations in Europe with world-class university, deep historical and cultural ties and a shared language. Germany has become the top choice for many students thanks to its practically tuition-free public education, while Austria is steadily gaining popularity by offering high-quality programs at very low cost, elevating students' profile with the right course fits and a more relaxed vibe in the stunning alpine settings. Both countries deliver excellent education, vibrant student life, and a strong career prospects. Here I will compare point by point top universities, popular courses, cost, job, language, post-study options, and more so you can decide the best fit. After breaking down all the key points, which one do you think is better for your 2026 journey? Comment below. Top universities. In Germany, the top ones are Technical University of Munich, Heidelberg University, and more shown on your screen. Whereas Austria is home to some of Europe's finest and oldest institutes, University of Vienna, Graz University of Technology, and more shown on your screen. Both have highly ranked university, especially in engineering and science. Popular courses. In Germany, you will find strong programs in engineering, computer science, data science, business management, medicine, environmental science, and automotive. Perfect for the tech-driven and industrial careers. On the other side, Austria stands out as a leader in software engineering and tech fields while also excelling in business administration, computer science, political science, psychology, engineering, finance and accounting, healthcare and marketing. Whether you are into cutting-edge tech, business or social science, Austria has a solid option too, often with a more innovative twist. Now comparing tuition fees. Germany's public universities are practically free for international students with small administration fees of around 30,000 rupees. Private ones can go up to 8 to 15 lakh rupees. While in Austria, public universities charge non-European students around 60 to 70,000 Indian rupees. That's low compared to UK, US or Australia, making it a sweet spot for quality on a budget. Let's compare living expenses. In German cities like Berlin, Munich or Frankfurt, expect around 80,000 rupees per month. Also in Austria, costs are similar or slightly lower in many areas starting around 70,000 Indian rupees, including rent, food and transport. Vienna is pricier for rent, but small cities like Graz, Innsbruck are more budget friendly. Now, part-time work. Both allows international students to work up to 20 hours per week during semesters and more during holidays. Germany has tons of opportunities in big cities, cafes, retail, tech support or universities jobs to help cover costs. Whereas Austria offers competitive wages often 12 to 15 euro per hour, job in tourism, hospitality or tech are common, especially in student-friendly areas making it easier to earn and balance studies. Now, language barriers. Both are German-speaking countries but universities offering plenty of English taught programs. Germany has more English-friendly big cities like Berlin or Munich for daily life, whereas in Austria, English work well in Vienna, Graz or Innsbruck among students and younger people. Basic German helps a lot for jobs, shopping and socializing in both, but Austria is a small country, it is easier to adjust and feel comfortable. Post-study work visa. Germany gives you 18-month job search visa after graduation, great flexibility to find work and transition to a job seeker to work visa. While Austria offers a 12-month extension for job searching. If you land a qualifying job, you can switch smoothly. Jobs and internship opportunities. Germany leads with well-paid internships and STEM jobs, a strong economy and many multinational companies. Whereas Austria shines in tech, software, tourism and business, high wages for part-time or internships and a growing startup scene. Both offer solid prospects if you learn some German. Now, financial proof and blocked account. Germany requires a block account with around 11 lakh for 1 year to prove funds for a student visa. Whereas Austria has no blocked account, instead show proof of sufficient funds for 12 months in advance. Amounts vary by age. For someone under 24 years, amount is around 8 lakh. On the other hand, for 24 and above, amount is around 13 lakh rupees. Both are amazing for 2026 intake. Tuition fees is super affordable, education is top tier and you will build a great career in Europe. Drop a comment below, Germany or Austria. What is your dream course or city? Share your study abroad plans. If this helped, like, share and subscribe for more comparison and study abroad tips. Catch you in the next video.